Welcome to my CSE tutorial. This video will show how to solve exercise 4D from chapter number 1, Review of Python. The question is, how many times does the following loop execute? The code is I is equal to 4, while I greater than or equal to 4, print I, and I will be incremented by 10 at the end of each iteration. So we see here that this loop will exit when I greater than or equal to 4 becomes false. So here we see that in the first iteration I equal to 4 will be printed, then I will be incremented by 10, therefore I becomes 24. The next iteration I becomes 34. We see that the value in this condition becomes true, and then next it is 44, 54 and so on, and therefore we see that this loop remains true always. So therefore the answer to the question is, for how many times does the following loop execute? This loop will execute for infinite number of times because the condition never becomes false. Let's see the output. Here we see that the program is running infinitely. So this is the answer for this question. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos on my CSE tutorial.